In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print PowerPoint slide on a full page. If you've ever sent a slide to the printer and gotten borders, notes, or multiple thumbnails on one sheet, this walkthrough will make sure you get a single slide filling the page cleanly. Start by launching Microsoft PowerPoint and opening the presentation you want to use. In the thumbnail pane on the left, click the slide you want to print. If you need several slides, you can select them there before moving on, so PowerPoint knows exactly which ones to send to the printer. Taking a moment to confirm your selection up front helps ensure the preview and the final printout match your intentions. Next, head to the Print menu. Click File in the top left corner, then choose Print. This opens the printing window with a live preview on the right, so you can immediately see how your slide will be laid out on the page. If you selected specific slides earlier, the preview should reflect that selection. Now set your printer options. Under Printer, choose Microsoft Print to PDF if you want a digital copy, or pick your preferred physical printer. Then look under Settings and make sure the layout is set to full page slides. This is the key choice that places one slide on each sheet at maximum size. Double check that it doesn't say handouts, notes pages, or outline, because those layouts intentionally add extra content or multiple slides per page. Full page slides tells PowerPoint to use the available page area for your slide. Keep in mind that some printers reserve a tiny margin that cannot be printed. This is normal and may result in a thin border even with a full page layout. When everything looks correct in the preview, click Print. If you're printing to PDF, you'll be prompted to choose a save location and a file name. Pick a folder you can easily find later, give the file a clear name, and click Save. PowerPoint will create the PDF using the full page layout you selected. For the final check, open your saved PDF or look at your printed pages to confirm each slide is filling the page as expected. You should see one slide per sheet without extra notes or handout formatting. If something looks off, revisit the print menu and confirm that the layout still reads full page slides. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials.